Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we will see one special sum based on DFT. The question is, a sequence is given as x of n, that is 1 plus 2j, 1 plus 3j, 2 plus 4j and 2 plus 2j. And similarly, x1 of n and x2 of n are mentioned. The question is to find x1 of k and x2 of k by using DFT method only. First, what we will do, as x of n is given, we will find out the x of k. To find the x of k, we will use the transformation matrix. So that would be x of k is equal to W4, as the period is 4, into x of n. So now we know that the Twiddle factor matrix is this and multiplied by the x of n. That would be 1 plus 2j, 1 plus 3j, 2 plus 4j and 2 plus 2j. Multiplying this both the terms, we finally get 6 plus 11j minus j plus j and minus 2 minus 3j. Now x of k can be written as, now we will consider that x of n is equivalent to x1 of n plus j x2 of n. As we can see these both the terms and the main x of n, we can compare that the real part is from x1 of n and the imaginary part is from x2 of n. So we will write this equation. Now we will take the complex conjugate, that is x star of n. That would be x1 of n minus j x2 of n. Similarly, we can express and add these both the terms, that is the normal x of n and the complex conjugate of x of n. That gives us 2 into x1 of n. Now we can write x1 of n as x of n plus x of star of n divided by 2. Now as we have found out this term, it will be always valid for DFT of x1 of n. So it can be written as x1 of k is equal to x of k plus x star of minus k upon 2. And similarly, x2 of k is equal to x of k plus x star of k upon 2 into j. This term is different as we have imaginary term. So at the start, first we'll do the x1 of k part. That would be x1 of k is equal to x of k plus x star of minus k upon 2. Now we know that x of k is given by 6 plus 11j minus j plus j and again minus 2 minus 3j. The complex conjugate will be x star of k 6 minus 11j j minus j minus 2 plus 3j. Now we are going to add these terms, but before adding, we know that the complex conjugate here is stating that it should be of minus k. So minus k suggests that the whole term should be reversed. That would be x star of minus k is equivalent to 6 minus 11j comma minus 2 plus j3 minus j plus j. Now observe carefully that we have written in this way. So the first term is 6 minus 11j, then minus 2 plus 3j minus j and j. So now we are going to add both the terms and similarly find out x1 of k. So for k is equal to 0, x1 of 0 is equal to x of 0 plus x star of 0 upon 2. That is 6 plus 11 j plus 6 minus 11j upon 2, that is 6. For k is equal to 1, x1 of 1 is equal to x of 1 plus x star of 1 upon 2, that is minus j minus 2 plus j3 upon 2 is minus 1 plus j. Be careful here, it should be x star of minus 1, not 1. Again x1 of 2, x of 2 plus x star of minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus j plus j upon 2, that is equivalent to 0. For x1 of 3 is equal to x of 3 plus x star of 3 minus 3 upon 2, that is minus 2 minus j into 3 plus j upon 2, that is minus 1 minus j. Finally, we have found out x1 of k is equal to 6 minus 1 plus j 0 minus 1 minus j. Now similarly, we are going to find out x2 of k.